The reason the tangent line problem is so important is because we can use it to approximate a function. And because it's a line, we call such approximation linear approximation. To begin, we consider the function f, which is differentiable at the point C, and the equation of the tangent line, okay, we use a point slope form. So at the point C, the point is C comma f of C, and the slope m is just f prime evaluate at the x value C. So the point slope form is y minus f of C equals slope f prime of C times x minus C. And if we solve for y on both sides, right? So if we solve for y, we add f of C on both sides, we get y equals f prime of C times x minus C plus f of C. So this is the tangent line approximation of f at C. The only unknown is just the x, because if we know C, okay, it's just like m times x plus b, okay, when we simplify this. And based on this equation, the linear approximation, or we simply call it the linearization, L of x to a differentiable function f at the point x0 is given by, okay, so instead of y is L of x because it's a function of x. F of x0, so it's like f of c, right? Replace c by x0, we get f of x0 plus f prime of x times x minus f prime of x0 times x minus x of 0. So this is a linear approximation formula, and we can use this formula to calculate the linearization L of x of any function. What it is, the convenient about it is instead of evaluating a complicated function at a point that is inconvenient, for example 1.023, okay, that you have to take e to the 1.023 power and divide it by 1.023 square. Even if you use a calculator, it's okay to calculate, but if you do it by hand, it's much easier to use a linear approximation. So let's see how it is done. So according to the formula, okay, we need x0, and at this time x0 is 1 because x equal x0. Okay, so x0 is 1. What is f of x0? So we plug in 1 to the function. So just 5 times e to the first power divided by 1 square. So we get 5e. Then we need to find out what is f prime of x0. So we first need to find out the derivative. So what is the derivative? We use a quotient rule because it's a quotient. So quotient rule tells us the derivative of the numerator. So it's 5 times derivative of e to the x is the same of itself, right? Times the denominator, x squared. Subtract the numerator 5e to the x times the derivative of the denominator. What's the derivative of x squared? It's 2x. Then all over x to the fourth power. You can simplify it, but it's not necessary because all we need is f prime of 1 because x0, right? F prime of x0 is 1. So we plug in 1, right? Use a calculator to plug in 1. We get 5e to the first power times 1, right? So just 5e minus 5e times 2, right? So it's 10e divided by 1 to the fourth power. So the derivative is negative 5e. Now we just plug everything into this formula. So L of x, the linearization is f of x0 which is 5e. So it's f of x0, not f of 0, okay? Plus f prime of x0. So f prime of x0 is negative 5e times x minus x0. X of 0 is 1, okay? So this is the formula for the linearization.